Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well, having a great time and staying safe. So we are starting a new chapter, and in this lesson we will try to learn about the nature of light. Of course, this is chapter 15, section 1, and this is class 9 science lesson. I'm pretty sure you know what is the source of light for us. So light comes from the sun and from other sources such as a light bulb. But what is light? Now, of course, scientists are trying to learn more and more about light, but there's a lot of information that you need to learn about light, and you're about to discover it. So first thing, let's ask ourselves, what is light? Light is a type of energy that actually travels as a wave. Of course, you know we have different kind of waves. For example, you know what is a sound wave, water wave. These are types of wave. These kind of waves actually travels through matter. Light, in the other hand, does not require matter through which to travel. So light doesn't need matter. Light is an electromagnetic wave. I need to ask you another question. What is electromagnetic wave? Electromagnetic wave is a wave that consists of electric and magnetic field. Electric and magnetic field. So electric current make electric field, and magnets make magnetic field. So electromagnetic wave, a wave that consists of electric and magnetic field that vibrate at right angle to each other. Right angle of each other. So electromagnetic wave travel through empty space or matter and consist of changing electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other, and also perpendicular to the direction of the wave motion. Now look at the picture in front of you and you will understand what we mean. So look at the magnetic field and now look at the electric field, and you will see them, they are perpendicular to each other, and they also perpendicular to the direction of the wave motion, as you can see in front of you. كاتو وتمانشي وتمان light wave بلام جاوز sound wave and water wave because ام جورانی تر بون من دنگو او ناگوزرنو هتا مادان نبتیا تپرمن بلام روناکی پیوسی بمادنیا بویتیا بگوزرتو. Light is an electromagnetic wave. So electromagnetic wave is a kind of wave ببوشایی یان با او یا با هوا و هنه جوری ماده دگوازرتو و پیکاتو electric and magnetic field کواتا پیکاتو electric field و magnetic field. ام دو field perpendicular لسيلكتري يعني استون لسيلكتري و استونيشن لسر آراستی بلابونوی شپولکا يعني they are perpendicular to the direction of the wave motion. So what is electric field? An electric field surrounds every charged object. Now these charged objects will actually pull any object that have opposite charge toward it and repels like charged object. You can see the effect of electric field whenever you see objects stuck together. By static electricity, just like the girl and the balloon. The hair on the girl's head stands up because of electric field. کەواتە وتمان چی؟ وتمان هەموو ئەو تەنانی کە بەرگی جیاوازیان هەیە لە یەکتری ڕادەکێشن بە ئاراستێکی بە ئاراستی ئەو تەنی کە ئیلکتریک فیلدەکەی دروست کردووە و پاڵ بە یەکتریەوە ئەنێن ئەگەر هەمان بەرگیان هەبێیان بەرگی لێکچویان هەبێت ئەشتوانی ئیلکتریک فیلد ببینی کاتێ دوو تەنەبینی بەیەکەوە نووساون بەهۆی کارەبای ستاتیک ئیلکتریسیتیەوە یان کارەبای جێگیرەوە وەکو قژی کچەکە و ئەو باڵۆنەی دەسی قژی کچەکە بەرز دەبێتەوە بەهۆی بواری کارەباییەوە. What about magnetic field? Magnetic field surrounds every magnet, as you can see in front of you. Many types of metals or irons are pulled by magnets because of its magnetic field. You feel the effect of magnetic field when you hold two magnets close to each other. The iron filling in the picture that you see is actually forms arcs in the presence of the magnetic field. کەواتە لە چواردەوری هەموو ماگنێتێکە magnetic field دەبینی بەهۆی magnetic fieldەوە paper clips یان هاڕاوەی ئاسن ڕائەکێشرێت لەلایەن ماگنێتەکانەوە هەروە توانی هەست بە magnetic field بکەی هەچ کاتێ دوو ماگنێت لە یەکتری نزیک بکەیتەوە یان هاڕاوەی ئاسن کۆمەڵە کەوانە دروست دەکات بە دەوری ماگنێتەکەیە طبعا بەهۆی magnetic fieldی ماگنێتەکانەوە ئەو کەوانانە دروست دەبێت. Let me ask a question. How electromagnetic waves are produced? Electromagnetic wave produced when particles vibrate or particles move back and forth. When the particles vibrate, the electric field around it also vibrates. So when electric fields start vibrating, this makes a vibrating magnetic field. کەواتە electromagnetic wave پەیدا دەبێت لە ئەنجامی چیەوە؟ vibration پارتیکڵەکانەوە vibration electrically charged particles هەچ کاتێک ئەم پارتیکڵانە vibration-ئەکەن electric field-ەکەی چواردەوریشیان vibration-ئەکە ئەمەش چی دروستەکە؟ vibrating magnetic field. And a vibration of an electric field and magnetic field together produce an electromagnetic wave that carries energy released by the original vibration of the particles. And another thing, the transfer of energy as an electromagnetic wave is called radiation. So what is radiation? Radiation is a transfer of energy as electromagnetic wave. The transfer of energy as electromagnetic wave is called radiation. Moving on to the speed of light. I'm pretty sure you heard thunder and you also saw lightning before. And you already know that thunder and lightning are produced at the same time. But you usually see the lightning before you hear the thunder because light travels much faster than sound. Now, until now, scientists have yet to discover anything that travels faster than light. In the near vacuum of space, the speed of light is about 3 100,000 kilometers per second. Though you have to know that light travels slightly slower in air, glass, and other types of matter. So matter slows down light a little bit. And I have already told you that light doesn't need matter, but keep in your mind that even though electromagnetic waves do not need to travel through matter, they travel through many substances, different kind of substance. Believe it or not, light travel about 880,000 times faster than sound. And we talked about this when we talked about thunder and lightning. If you could run at the speed of light, you could actually travel around the earth 7.5 times in 1 second. 1 second. But you also have to know that in this process, while you're running 7.5 times in 1 second, you will be transformed into energy. How should we calculate the time it takes for light to travel any distance? For example, from sun to earth or from sun to any other planet. So in the page 280 math break, there's a question. I want you to look at it. The question says the distance from earth to the sun is about 150 million kilometers. Calculate the time it takes for light to travel that distance, the distance from sun to earth. So the first thing, you need to write the equation for speed. Speed equals distance divided by time. So what is our distance? Our distance is 150 million kilometers. What else I know about this question? I know what is the speed of light. The speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. So I know the speed, I know the distance. What is left is the time. So when you divide the distance over the speed, you will get the time. And the time is 500 seconds. And you can change this to minute. It is actually 8.3 minutes, as you can see in front of you. Okay, your homework is the review in page 281. This is your first homework. The second one is a question. The question says the distance from the sun to the Venus is 108 million kilometers. Calculate the time it takes for light to travel that distance. And at the end of this lesson, thank you for your attention and have a great time. Good luck.